You want flat, even layers that stack up clean and level. Instead, you pull out a cake with a big dome and a crack right down the middle. Here is the thing. That dome and that crack have one main cause, and it is not your recipe. Do not saw off half your cake to level it, and do not blame the recipe. This is an oven problem, and it is completely fixable. There are 3 fixes here, and the first one costs you nothing. Here is what is happening in the pan. The edges of the batter heat up and set first, while the center is still liquid. So the only place left for the cake to rise is straight up in the middle. That is your dome. Then the set top cracks as the center keeps pushing up. Fix the uneven heating, and you fix both. Fix 1. Lower your oven temperature. Most cakes dome because the oven is simply too hot for the batter. Drop the temperature by 25 degrees, so a recipe calling for 350 goes to 325, and bake a little longer. The gentler heat lets the whole cake rise together instead of the edges racing ahead and forcing the middle up. This one change alone flattens most cakes. Fix 2. Cake strips. This is the pro move. Cake strips are cloth bands you soak in cold water and wrap around the outside of the pan. The wet band keeps the edge of the pan cooler, so the outside bakes at the same pace as the middle instead of setting early. You can buy them or make your own from a strip of an old towel, wet it, and pin it around the pan with a safety pin. Cakes come out nearly flat, edge to edge. Fix 3. The right pan and the right fill. A pan that is too small forces the batter up into a peak. Fill your pans only about 2/3 full so the batter has room to spread and rise gently. If you have extra, bake a cupcake or 2 on the side. And drop the filled pan on the counter a couple times before it goes in to knock out big air bubbles that turn into cracks. Here is the science, and it is worth understanding because it makes every fix obvious. Cake batter sets from the outside in. The batter touching the hot pan walls hits setting temperature first and firms up, while the center is still liquid and full of rising gas from your baking powder. Since the edges are locked in place, all that expanding gas has nowhere to go but up through the soft center, which pushes up a dome. Keep pushing and the already firm top splits. That is the crack. So everything we did, lower heat, cool strips, right pan, is aimed at one goal: get the middle and the edges to set at the same time. When they do, the cake rises flat. 3 habits for flat layers every time. Always preheat fully and use an oven thermometer, because most ovens run hotter or cooler than the dial says. Use cake strips as your default, not just for special cakes. And resist opening the oven door in the first 2/3 of the bake. That blast of temperature change encourages cracking. The usual suspects: oven set too high, the single biggest cause; overfilling the pan so the batter has to climb; too much baking powder, which makes the cake rise violently and crack; and placing the pan too high in the oven near the top element, which sets the top too fast. Move your rack to the middle, dial the heat back, and fill the pan right. And that is flat, even layers that stack up clean and level, no sawing required. You have got this. Just cool that oven down and wrap those strips. Follow for more cake tips. Full recipe on the blog.